This is not just another AI video tool. For the first time, you get precise control over real cinematic cameras with AI. You can choose professional lenses, control camera movement, lock composition, and design shots exactly like a real filmmaker. This is Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and it changes everything. Every single shot you just saw was designed shot by shot using AI. Not prompts, but real cinematic control. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I created a cinematic trailer, from text to image to full cinematic video, and why this tool feels less like an AI generator and more like a real film studio. If you're watching this, you already know tools like Kling, Sora, Veo, Wan, and other AI video models. So if I just said, this tool also makes videos, you'd probably click away. That's why this video is different. Because Higgsfield Cinema Studio is not trying to compete on prompts. It's competing on cinematography. Here, you direct the shot first, and then AI executes it. All right, let's build something real. For this tutorial, my goal is to create a high-energy cinematic action trailer. I'm starting inside Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Here's the prompt I'm using for my first image. Ultra-wide cinematic shot of a vast desert battlefield at sunset. Endless sand dunes stretching to the horizon. I select 4K resolution for maximum detail. Here you can see a lot of cinematic camera types and lenses for cinematic shots. Then, from the cinematic camera options, I choose an IMAX film camera. For the lens, I select Zeiss Ultra Prime, set to a 50mm focal length, a classic cinematic choice. Now I hit Generate. And here it is, a stunning cinematic desert battlefield. This single frame already feels like it belongs in a big-budget movie. Next, I move into the video section. I upload this generated image as my starting frame, and for the animation prompt, I keep it simple and intentional. Ultra-wide cinematic shot of a vast desert battlefield at sunset. Now I choose the camera movement. Higgsfield gives you real cinematic camera behavior, and for this shot, I select Pan Left. And just look at this scene. The camera movement, the color grading, the atmosphere. It feels smooth, controlled, and cinematic. This is exactly how a real camera would move. Now it's time to introduce the hero of our trailer. For the second shot, I use this prompt. A lone superhuman warrior standing in the desert, eyes glowing with electric energy, lightning and fire crackling around his fists and arms. And just like that, here's our main character. The design, the lighting, the power effects, everything feels grounded and cinematic. I animate this scene the same way as before. I upload the image, then write a subtle but controlled animation prompt. Lightning energy subtly pulsing around his fists and arms, small sparks of electricity flickering and fading. For camera movement, I select Dolly In, a classic cinematic move to build intensity. And there it is, a powerful, dramatic shot that feels alive without being chaotic. A trailer isn't just one shot, it's a sequence, so I repeat the process. For the third scene, I generate a wide cinematic shot of a colossal desert demon emerging from the sand. I keep the same camera type and lens as before to maintain visual continuity. Once generated, I animate this image by uploading it into the video section and prompting the demon to rise from the ground, sand and dust exploding around it. Now our third scene is ready, and the scale feels massive. Now comes the moment where Higgsfield completely separates itself from other AI video models. This single step solves one of the biggest problems in AI video, visual continuity. For the next scene, I want the same characters, the same lighting logic, the same cinematic language. So I select the images of both the superhuman and the demon. Then I write this prompt. High-impact cinematic action shot of the superhuman midair, flying toward the massive demon with a lightning-charged punch. And look at this frame. The characters are the same. The faces are consistent. The color grading matches perfectly. Nothing breaks. To animate this final shot, I select it as the start frame, choose Camera Follows, and generate the video. When I generate the video, notice something important. The environment stays stable. The character stays consistent. The camera behaves like a real physical camera. This is why the footage feels cinematic instead of chaotic. This is the difference between random AI motion and true AI filmmaking control. Here, you direct the shot first, and then AI executes it. You choose the camera type, the lens, the framing, the movement, and the reference image that locks the character and environment. If you care about storytelling, camera language, and visual consistency, this is a completely new level of AI filmmaking.